What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Super Wow Style. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about sunscreens. Now summers are already here and in a country like India, especially during the summer months, sunscreens are definitely the most important part of your skincare regimen. In fact, I'll even say this, wear your sunscreen every single day throughout the year. Whenever you step out in the sunlight, it's so important. Sunscreens do protect you from tan, but they also protect you from other sun-related damages, right? Which I think are bigger concerns for me. In a mild case, sun damage can lead to, your skin becoming dehydrated, irritated. It can halt your skin's natural healing mechanism. A longer sun exposure can actually accelerate your skin's aging process. So fine lines, wrinkles, they start appearing faster. In extreme cases, it can also lead to pigmentation, dark spots, and permanent skin damage. So sunscreen can actually protect you from all of these things. Okay, so let me just remind you that wearing sunscreens is very important. You should wear sunscreen no matter where you're going or what you're doing. If it's the daytime, just wear your sunscreen. Okay, now one of the things that we always say about sunscreen is that when you're wearing a sunscreen, reapply every 2 hours. Okay, now here's the thing, let me be very honest, this is a rule that even I have broken for so many times. Number one, because I often forget. Like if you're going out and about with your day, chances are you will forget to reapply every 2 hours. It's not practical. Some days I'm wearing makeup over my sunscreen. So how do I wear sunscreen with my makeup and my blush, my foundation, my highlighter, bronzer? Where do I wear sunscreen? How do I reapply? So it becomes very difficult to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Therefore, here's a recent discovery which has been a complete game changer for me. It's from the brand The Derma Co. You guys know how much I love this brand. All products by The Derma Co are fragrance free. It's a brand designed by dermatologists. So it's a very ingredient focused, very science-based brand. The products make a lot of sense. So this is a Derma Co 1% hyaluronic long lasting sunscreen. So yes guys, it's a long lasting sunscreen. How long lasting, you ask? Well, it actually lasts 6 hours. Yes, so it completely eliminates the need to reapply every 2 hours, making it a very practical, very wearable sunscreen. I discovered the sunscreen recently and since then it has been my go-to sunscreen. I'm like, oh my god, where were you all my life? It has been such a game changer and I can see that it's actually working very well for me. It's really protecting my skin because it's got SPF 50, it's got PA+++++, so PA with 4 plus signs. Most sunscreens in the market have PA++, PA triple plus. PA with 4 plus signs is something which personally is very hard for me to find. So it gives me adequate UVA and UVB protection. It gives me complete sun protection very effectively. Also because it contains hyaluronic acid, it keeps my skin hydrated, better hydrated. So let me show you the consistency first. It's a very lightweight sunscreen, non-sticky, non-greasy, and it leaves no white cast behind. It's very easy, very light on the skin. So in a world full of sunscreens which are heavy and feel like chip and so uneasy on the skin, this sunscreen actually feels like nothing on the skin and there's no white cast. So even when you want to wear makeup over your sunscreen, you can wear it very easily when you're wearing this sunscreen. Also very importantly, this formula is water resistant and sweat resistant. Now this I think is such a big thumbs up because obviously during the summer months especially, or when you step out otherwise also, you are going to be sweaty. Now you don't want your sunscreen breaking out when you start sweating, because then what is the purpose of wearing your sunscreen, right? It will just go away. In fact, here's a little test that I recently did. I just want to share it with you all. Take a glass of water and here I'm just putting my regular sunscreen. So as soon as I put it, do you see how the formula just starts to break apart? It's just like falling all over the place. It cannot hold itself together properly in water. Whereas a Derma Co 1% hyaluronic long lasting sunscreen, it holds itself pretty well in water, which basically tells you that yes, it is water resistant, it is sweat resistant, it can hold itself together, it will not break. Now using the sunscreen is very simple. You obviously first wash your face, apply your serum, apply your moisturizer, and then take this sunscreen, take an adequate amount and apply this all over your face and neck and all over your exposed parts of your body, including hands, legs, arms. So the sunscreen is very easy to work with. There's no white cast, no sticky greasy feel. Also because of the hyaluronic acid, the skin feels hydrated. By the way, just like with all things new, please do a patch test before getting started. Now, this has been my go-to sunscreen and personally, I would recommend this very highly because this sunscreen we have needed for the longest time. I'll put the link down in the description box below. It's available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, Purple. However, if you buy directly from the official Derma Co website, you can use this coupon code right here, SWS2024 for flat 20% off on all your purchases on the official Derma Co website. Also, when you buy directly from the official Derma Co website, apart from getting 20% off using this coupon code, you get to be a part of about the Young Scientist Initiative, but they are helping educate children through Bhumi. They have already helped 15,000 plus students. Yes, a lot of children being empowered through this initiative, and I think it's such a great thing to be a part of indirectly but also very directly. So links, detail, coupon code, everything in the description box below. If you still have any queries, guys, please share questions in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. I would love to hear from you all. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.